Welcome, traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the daily pivot points indicator for MT5. First, let's briefly overview the daily pivot points indicator. This indicator calculates pivot points and several support and resistance zones using the previous day's high, low, and closing prices. Now, what does the daily pivot points indicator look like on your chart? The indicator displays a dark orchid line for the pivot point, medium sea green lines for resistance zones, and red lines for support zones. These lines help visualize key levels where price action may reverse or continue its trend. The pivot point is calculated using the high, close, and low of the previous day, while support and resistance levels are derived from these pivot zones. Next, let's discuss the strategy for using the daily pivot points indicator. Traders can use levels to identify optimal buy or sell zones. For example, if the price action shows a reversal pattern at a pivot level, it might be a good signal to enter a trade. Finally, let's go over the most important settings of the daily pivot points indicator. Pivot calculation. Formula and number of days used. Drawing. Enables or disables pivot point drawing. Colors. Sets colors for pivot, support, and resistance levels. Line styles. Sets line styles for pivot, support, and resistance levels. Line widths. Sets line widths for pivot, support, and resistance levels. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and social networks.